Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to scroll to the top of the page by clicking the active tab on our project. It's a feature that allows you to scroll to the top of the page where you are by clicking the active tab. Now you want to enable this feature on the project. It's quite simple. Right click from the start page or menu and click on settings. Sorry about that, let's go back to the settings and simply click on the button. Alright, let's do this again. Alright, this is the start page. Right click on settings. Left hand here, click on features. By the right, scroll all the way down until you see user interface. Here it is. Then scroll down until you look for exactly what we're looking for. You see the option for. Here it is. Scroll to the top of the page by clicking the active bar. Active tab, so it's enabled. Now you have it. So now if you don't want to enable this feature, you can simply turn it off. It's a simple